Hello everyone, this is Saad Ahmed, and this is a follow-up video for the first video. In this case, I'm going to be running our messaging app in the Chrome browser. So I'm just going to get this started. I'm going to type in Flutter run and hit enter. So same thing as before, you want to save your YAML file, your pubspec YAML file, and then you want to select the specific host. In this case, we're going to be running it in Chrome. And once you do that, you want to just type in Flutter run, and we are just gonna wait for this app to boot up. So we're just loading up here. All right. So now our app has just booted up, uh, and we are greeted with our splash screen. Same thing as before. Once it finishes booting up, we should be taken into our login page. All right, awesome. So now I'm just gonna hit register, just like before. I'm gonna type in, let's type in a name. Let's say test123, test123, test123 at test.com. When they will keep the password as test123. Type in register. All right, and just like before, we are taken into our homepage, which has our groups. Each of these groups is a different chat messaging group, and we also have the different images over here. So I'm just going to hit business. I'm just going to type in a message. I'm going to say, what's up? And hit enter. So now over here, we can see here we have the message, what's up? We also have test123, test123, as well as the date time. I'm just going to go into Firebase real quick. So just to show here, we have our authentication page. And if we look here, we have our test123 at test.com. This is the new user that we just created. If we go into Firestore and we go into our users, if we go through here, we should be able to find our new user that we just created. Here we go. We see test123, which is our first name, last name. We get the date time and as well as the user admin. And we also save in the UID. In this case, it's MOT0. So let's go over here. Let's just check. Here we go, MOT0. So we are good there. So if we go into Firestore, if we go into the business group, I just sent a message here that says, what's up? Here we go. Our message here, that's test123, what's up? We also have our app bar, our sliding app bar. So if I click on message boards, I'm taken back into our homepage. I'm just going to go into study, and I'm just going to type in, this is test123, and enter. All right, so if we go into study, we should see a new message here. Here we go. That says test123. We save the date time as well as the username, which we then also output in real time. So we have the message here, the name, as well as the date time. So just like before, nothing's really changed. We can also go into profile. We can change our name. Let's say I want to change my name. I don't like test123. Let's make it demo123. Demo123. I'm going to hit update profile. It's demo123. If we go into our users and we just go through here, we should be able to find our specific one. Again, so now we've changed it. Before it was test123, now it's demo123. Again, the user ID stays the same. It's MOTO. If we go here, we can see here it's MOTO. Okay. So that's our profile. If we also go into settings, we have the option here of changing our password as well as updating our social media. So let me just change my password. I'm just going to change it to demo123. And I'm going to change my social media to @Facebook. And I'm going to hit update social media. I'll update the password. And what that should do is it should update our password and our social media. So if I do end up going back to settings, Again, here, our new password is updated over here, and we have our social media updated to @Facebook over here. So essentially, it's the same app. It's just running in Chrome in this case. Nothing's really changed. So just to go through some of the intricacies of our um, application, we have our different groups. We have our sidebar. We click on the group. You have our bar title up top. Our messages are displayed in real time. Um, Over here, we have the profile page, which allows the user to change their profile, information about their profile. We also have the settings page that allows the user to change their password as well as update their social media. And then we also have like our logout button over here in case the user wants to log out and log in with a new user ID and password. Everything is posted in real time and is stored in Firebase. So this is our demonstration. Thank you for watching.